Hey everybody, welcome back. If you've been thinking about moving to Abilene or even selling here in the Abilene area, there's something happening in the market right now that most people, especially those that aren't local here, aren't fully understanding. And honestly, it's costing people opportunities here in Abilene. Inventory is extremely low, homes are selling fast, and in a lot of cases, they're selling with multiple offers. But here's the thing, what's happening right now isn't just a short term spike. There are a couple of big factors behind the scenes that could keep this market tight for the next 3 to maybe even 5 years. So stick around because I am going to be breaking down what's actually happening and, more importantly, how you can win in this market whether you're buying or selling. And I'm Zach Vines with Vines Realty Group, your local real estate expert. And the purpose of this channel is to be your #1 resource for all things Abilene and the local real estate market. So like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment with any question we can answer, and to get connected to me and my team, you can text me directly or fill out the form in the description below. So let's talk about what the Abilene market looks like right now. Abilene is sitting at about 1.3 months of inventory and roughly 283 homes for sale at one time across Abilene and the surrounding smaller cities. So to put that into perspective, a balanced market is typically around 4 to 6 months. And last summer we had about 640 homes on the market at one time. So we have 2 months less of inventory than a normal market and 400 less homes for sale than we did in the summer. So what that means is demand is far outweighing supply, and that's exactly why homes are selling quickly, buyers are competing, and multiple offer situations are still very common. So overall, this is still a very strong seller-leaning market. Now here's where things get interesting, and this is what a lot of people are missing. You've probably heard about the data centers coming to Abilene, but what most people don't realize is this isn't just a one project and they're done. There are multiple developments happening not just in Abilene, but in surrounding areas within about 45 minutes to an hour and a half from Abilene. And those smaller towns don't have the housing infrastructure that Abilene does, which means Abilene is likely going to continue being the main housing hub for all of that growth. On top of that, you have Dyess Air Force Base expanding with the new bomber that's coming in over the next several years. So when you combine job growth, military expansion, and limited housing supply, it's hard to see inventory catching up anytime soon. That's why I say this could realistically stay tight for the next 3 to maybe 5 years. So let's talk about what does this mean? And let's start with, what does this mean for buyers? If you're a buyer, especially relocating here, this is where I'm seeing people get stuck. A lot of buyers are waiting for the market to cool down, trying to find the perfect home, or not wanting to be competitive in their offers. And specifically, what I'm seeing right now is buyers are not wanting to offer above asking or give up concessions to win the deal. And I get it, that feels uncomfortable, but here's the shift. The buyers that are winning right now are the ones looking at the long-term opportunity, not just the short-term costs. Because if this market continues the way it's trending and inventory stays low, getting into a home now, even if it costs a little more upfront, can put you in a much better position long-term. So instead of it being a negative, it's really about understanding the game you're stepping into and playing it the right way. Now let's talk about the flip side. If you're a seller, this is a huge opportunity that you have right now. Homes are still moving quickly and you have strong demand. But here's the hesitation I'm seeing. A lot of sellers don't want to sell because they don't know where they're going next. And honestly, that's very valid. But what many aren't considering is this could be one of the best times to upgrade into a higher price point home while you still have strong leverage on your current home. Now, one thing I will say, this market doesn't mean you can price your home however you want. Overpricing will still hurt you because the home has to appraise, so strategy still matters. And real quick, if you're watching this and thinking about moving to Abilene or even selling here in the area, I'd be happy to help walk you through what this looks like for your specific situation. There's a link to a form in the description below to get connected to me and my team, and we can put together a plan that actually works in this market for you personally. All right, so how do you actually win right now in this market? For buyers, get fully prepared before you start looking. Be ready to move quickly, be willing to make strong offers, even stronger than you may initially feel comfortable with. And understand that winning a home in this market may mean offering above asking or adjusting concessions. For sellers, price strategically from the start. Take advantage of low inventory and have a game plan for your next move before listing. This isn't a market where you can just casually step into it and hope things work out. You have to be intentional. All right, so that's a wrap. If you're thinking about moving to Abilene or just want to understand what areas, price points, and homes make the most sense, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help and would love to help you with your move here. And if you're trying to figure out where to even start in the Abilene area, make sure you watch this video where I break down the best areas, whether it's in Abilene or the surrounding towns, that would be a best fit for you personally. We'll catch you on the next video.